Okay, so I will send this zip folder of 15 versions of this part 2 of the test tomorrow. So I want to duplicate each one of these to make a second version. I have 30 students, so I need each one to have a different version. And I can put that into Blackboard. Okay, so I'm not quite sure how to label that so that you can I want this 1, and then the copy to be 2, and then this one will be 3, and the copy will be 4, this one will be 5, and the copy will be 6, this one will be 7, and the copy will be 8. So it has to work like that, but I'm not sure how to do that. I'm sure you will know. So it's, again, total 30. I need a total of 30. I need to duplicate each one, but number it so it's 1 to 30, so that the students basically don't find their duplicate, because they could find that if I keep it the same. So that's the first step. So I'll send you the zip. Thank you.